In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make pictures circle here in Canva. So I have this picture just here, and what we're going to do is turn this into a circle. Now, the way that we do this is by utilizing Canva's frames. Now, to find these, we can come over to Elements just here. Then, if we keep scrolling all the way down, we're going to see frames just here. Now, this is the circle which we're going to use, but if you click on See All, we can see there's lots of different frames that we can use. Now, for this example, we're going to use the circle, and we're going to add it onto the canvas just like this. Then, all we have to do is simply click onto our picture that we want to turn into a circle. Then we can simply click on there and drag into the circle just like that. Now, if this is not centered or how you want it, what we want to do is double click onto that, and then we can crop and adjust to however we want. So let's put that round about there, and let's click Done. Now, we do have some other options with this as well. So if we click onto the frame, we can come up to Border Style just here. Then if we click on there, we can play around with a few different border styles. Let's just go with the solid. We can increase that border as well, and then we can also play around with the color of that border just like that. But nonetheless, that's just how simple it is to make pictures circle here in Canva. Now, if you found this video helpful at all, then please consider giving me a like, as it really helps out the channel. And if you're not too sure what to watch next, click right here and watch this playlist.